You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is at 19.7k, and on the 4-hour chart, we've seen the market approaching the downside. What is our expectation? Is the market going to break this level into this very area of support? And on the ETH chart, we've seen market go up a little bit to create a new high, and right now we are coming back down with this very move. What are we expecting in the market right now as we see the BTC price heading to the downside? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USD 1-day chart right here, we see the market consolidating right now at this very area. So it is very important for us to pay attention to this area of consolidation, and you have to understand that after this consolidation immediately is a very key support level, which is the 19k level that everybody is watching right now. And I also want to say that until this 19k is broken with a significant bearish candle to the downside, don't take a short position. It should be broken first of all, then we can enter a short position. And if you look at the Forex Factory calendar, you discover on the 21st of September, we're going to have the federal fund rate and the FOMC statement. So this is very critical to the market movement. And also on the 13th, we're going to have the CPI data release. These two data are very important to the market movement right now, and we have to also keep in mind that once these data are released, they're going to impact on the market greatly, and that will also determine where Bitcoin is going to head to on the long term. And if you look at this very area, like I said, right now market have high capacity of moving to the downside, but please, let's see this very level of support break before we can take any short position. So we have here, we have a very nice support at this area. We have a very nice support here, a very nice support here. So market come down here to form support here before, a move to the upside is not an exception. So, and if market should break, let us see a nice bearish candle to the downside. That means on the long term, observe the market. It's not every time you take trade. Then on the 4-hour chart BTC, if you look at this area, markets have been in this ranging formation on this very area for about a week now, and if you look at it, it has formed the first support, second support, and the third support, and market is coming back down. What I am expecting on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart is the market to come down into the level of 19,700 and 19,400. Then within this area of support, we should see the market move up slightly, and remember we have a very strong resistance at this very point. So we have resistance here, so market should move from this area again to this level, because that is what we've been seeing right there. Market has been moving to the upside from here, market to move up, then come back down, move up again, come back down, move up again. So we should see market come into this zone of 19,700 and 19,400. That means market should come into this area, then move up again. If a breakout happen here, then that means market is going to push into this level of support with not on resistance. So what you should be paying attention to right now on the immediate short term on BTC USD 4-hour chart is the market coming down a little bit into this support within this region of 19,700 and 19,400. We should see the market bounce to the upside on the immediate short term, guys. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, I am expecting the market to move to the downside on ETH. Reason why, market has been moving up and creating new highs. Market to move up, come back down, move up, create another new high, come back down, create a new high. In as much as Bitcoin was not doing like that, Bitcoin was just at a very straight horizontal level, horizontal boundaries at this very point. So on ETH, I am expecting the market to come back down into this level on the short term, guys. So this is what I am paying attention to on ETH and also on Bitcoin. Now, everybody's talking about the 19k level at this very point. What is your analysis. What do you think will happen at this very point? Do you think the market is going to come back down and break this level? I'm going to see the market head back down, or you think the market is going to reverse at this very point? Because some person believe that this is the bottom for Bitcoin and we're going to see a massive rally in the market. Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the link down below. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.